Okay, so there's my 1772, the quick lay loader, snowplow. What I have here is my backhoe I have for it. Now this was, the way I had it mounted was with the 8 nuts and bolts, and that got a little tiring after a while. Anytime I wanted to take it off, it was in the way or something like that. So I made up a quick attach setup. Right here on the back, I got an extra battery there. I got these 2 hooks. I'm calling them J hooks because they look like a J. Right there and there. And then up top, I got 2 pinholes. It's 3/4 inch thick steel. You get mounted back up under there to the frame. Both sides you see there. And then this lower bracket gets tied in with the loader subframe. So it's got support all around. Now on the backhoe side, what I did was I got a bar here across. That sits in the J hooks. Now up top, these are my pin holes to mount to the bars on the tractor. Right there. And then I got a quick connect hose set up. Same thing on the tractor. There. And it actually works out really good. So I'll try to hook it up here real quick. And there it is. It's all hooked up. Ready to go. Thanks for watching.